How to use docking, margins, and padding with Wix Studio. So in Wix Studio, you can control element positioning and spacing using those three tools that I have mentioned. It can be accessed through the layout and position sections in the inspector panel. So let's see what that looks like. So I have in here this particular section with these elements. Let's head over and then use the merging options for this one. So what you can do is you can just click on this icon right here and it should be able to open the inspector panel. Click onto this design option and then for this one just scroll down and in here you can see this layout. So this is the padding that we're talking about. So you can just adjust horizontal padding as well as the vertical padding. So in here we also have the position and onto this position we can see this pinned option. So you can adjust in here the options for the docking and padding as well as changing out the layout for the overflow content as well as the overlay and background overlays for that. So that's how you use docking, margins, and padding with Wix. Hope we help.